Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. In this video, we are going to do the 6th question of exercise 9.2 7th grade CBSE NCERT Maths. The question is, Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover. It is of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost if 1 meter of the lace costs ₹15. Here, first we have to find the length of the lace, then cost of the lace. Here, let us take this as the circular tablecloth on which Saima wants to put the lace, and this is the lace. Here, Saima doesn't want to put the lace in the interior of this cloth. She wants to put the lace only on the edge, like this. So, what will be the length of the lace required here? Do you remember the fourth question of this exercise? Here, how did we find the length of the rope for one round fencing? Since this garden is circular in shape, the length of the rope for one round fencing is equal to the circumference of this garden. In the same way, for finding the length of the lace, it is enough to find the circumference of this table cover. And what is the formula for finding the circumference? Here, since the diameter of this table cover is given, for finding the circumference we use the formula pi d, where d is the diameter. If radius is given, we can use the formula 2 pi r. Now let us solve. First, let us write what are given here. Diameter of the table cover equal to 1.5 meter. Now according to the question we can write length of the lace required, that will be equal to circumference of the table cover, that is equal to, what is the formula? It is pi d or pi into d, that is equal to, here pi is given 3.14, that is 3.14 into diameter is 1.5 meter, that is 1.5 meter. Now let us multiply 3.14 and 1.5. Adding. Now we have to put the decimals here. Here, since there are 2 digits after the decimal and here 1 digit after the decimal, so total 3 digits. So from the rightmost digit here, count 1, 2, 3. That is, we have to put the decimal here. So this becomes 4.71 meter. That is, length of the lace required is 4.71 meter. Next, we have to find the cost of the lace. Here it is given for 1 meter lace, the cost is ₹15. So we can write cost of the lace per meter or for 1 meter equal to ₹15. That is, for 1 meter lace, the cost is ₹15. But here the length of the lace is 4.71 meter. So For getting the total cost, we have to multiply 4.71 with 15. Therefore, total cost of the lace, that will be equal to 4.71 into 15, that much rupees. Now let us multiply. Adding, that is equal to 7065. Now we have to put the decimals. Here you can see after the decimal there are 2 digits. So from the rightmost digit count 1, 2. So the decimal comes here. So we have to put the decimal here. That much rupees. That is, total cost of the lace is 70.65 rupees. So here we have found the length of the lace required. It is 4.71 meter, and the cost of the lace, it is 70.65 rupees. Hope it is clear to you. Wait, I think the table cover is ready. Let us try it on the table. Oh, it is good. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.